Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be on our way here shortly. The cargo personnel are still locating the last of the baggage, and we still have 2 cargo door lines to go.
4 heavy, clear for takeoff. Could be 904 heavy, clear for takeoff. TWA 905, Kenny Tower, taxi in position, over runway 13 right, course, showing turbines, spotting heavy jet.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be touching down in just about 5 or 6 minutes.
Final preparation for landing. Bring your seat back to the full and upright position. So your tray table and any carry-on luggage that you may have brought out during the flight.
TWA 905, clear for takeoff. Good to pick up the direction, this is traffic. Tuesday 111, heavy Kenny Tower, taxi in position.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard this flight 21, non-stop service. Dave informed me that our flying times will be 4 hours and 53 minutes at a cruising altitude of 31,000 feet.
About to clear the 49 kilo. Trainer 084 heavy, pass by the American West 737, then turn left on Kilo. Taxi eastbound with the American DC 10 on 25. Tiger 72 heavy, taxi cross runway 25 left and contact ground point 75.
Please be sure your seat backs are straight up and your tray tables are put away. If you didn't put your carry-on luggage in an overhead compartment, then it should go under the seat in front of you.